for a dose of pure happiness that's guaranteed to make you smile. Look at this little superstar, grooving to their own beat. But wait, who's this joining the dance party? It's a tiny, fluffy yellow kitten, matching the baby's moves step for step. Can you believe the cuteness? They're like a professional dance duo, swaying and bopping together. And just when you think it can't get any more adorable, a new challenger enters the dance floor. A little blue duckling waddles and flapping its wings and joining the fun. Now it's a trio. The baby is giggling, the kitten is purring, and the duckling is quacking along to the rhythm. This is what pure, simple joy looks like. If this little dance crew brightened your day, don't forget to like and subscribe for more heartwarming moments. Thanks for watching.